Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of this big ugly mounting box on an NX200 using our Plinth Delete kit. Let's get into it. So what we're going to do is get rid of this big mounting box by replacing it with our redesigned miniature plinth. Now, what you want to do, the first thing is just take out all the screws so this can come off, and then we can go ahead and install our new miniature plinth. Let's get into it. Now that we have the oversized mounting box off the car, we can replace it with our redesigned one. All you got to do is grab the screws provided and then push it into the two factory holes there. Now that we have a miniature plinth on, the next part is to grab a mounting bracket to suit your number plate style. So what that means is, if you're running, say, a European plate, you grab yourself a European bracket. We will be installing Victorian slimlines. So I've got some brackets here to suit, which goes onto the car and the plate goes on. Now, there is a small compromise. If you're running tiny plates like that, this is a 3 to 4 character Victorian plate. Because we're using factory mounting points, they are going to be a little bit wide on the car, so you've got to keep that in mind. Now that we have our plates on, the beautiful floating look that everyone loves, last thing is to fix this. So what we've done is design a little plug that fits into that hole and that cleans up nicely. So there you have it. We've got rid of the big oversized bracket and cleaned it up with our miniature Plinth Delete kit and our bracket to give it a nice premium floating look. Just remember, the plinth, you got to choose the one that suits the car, and the bracket, the one that suits the plate. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.